In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the persistent enter your email address pop-up in Power BI Desktop step by step. If you've encountered this before, you already know how distracting it can be. This pop-up usually appears whenever you add or modify a visualization, and it keeps reminding you to sign in with a work account. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. First, open Power BI Desktop and go back to the main view of the application. Make sure you follow each step carefully so you don't miss anything. If you do have a work email account, the easiest solution is simply to sign in using that account. Once you sign in, the pop-up will stop appearing. However, if you don't have a work email or you just want a workaround, you can follow this method instead. Start by clicking on the File tab at the top left corner of Power BI Desktop. This will take you back to the home view where you can access the main settings. After that, look at in the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Options and Settings. From the menu that appears, select Options. Once the Options window opens, you'll see multiple sections listed on the left side. Navigate to the Global section and then look for Preview Features. Click on it to open the list of preview settings. Inside this section, you'll find a feature called Translytical Task Flow. This feature is usually enabled by default and is often the reason that pop-up keeps showing up. Now simply uncheck the box next to this feature to disable it. After turning it off, click OK to apply the changes. To make sure everything works properly, you'll need to restart Power BI Desktop. Save your current work, close the application, and then open it again. Once Power BI restarts, go back to your project and start working on your visualizations. You should now notice that the enter your email address pop-up no longer appears while you're editing or adding elements. This simple tweak helps you work without interruptions and keeps your workflow smooth. And that's basically how you can remove the persistent email pop-up in Power BI Desktop. By following these simple steps, you can get rid of the distraction and focus fully on your data and visualizations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.